How to check Emirates flight status. Friends, within few days I will be traveling from UAE to India, Dubai to Delhi, and I have already booked the flight of Emirates. And due to the current situation, we should always keep on checking the Emirates flight status. So how to check this? We just need to open our browser, internet browser, okay, and then we'll be searching for Emirates flight status. You see the first one, we'll just click here. Once we click here, this is very important. As you can check, what does it say? Important information. We are currently operating a reduced number of flights until further notice. Please view the latest flight schedules and follow the information for our arrivals, departures, and even if the schedules are not reflected elsewhere online. Okay, this is very important, friends. So this is the page where you can just check. You can check by the route or the flight number that you have booked. So I have chosen the Dubai, and where I am going, I'll just click here and I will search for Delhi because I will be traveling to Delhi. Okay, and here also there is one important thing. I will be traveling on 11th, but here you can see we cannot check the status of 7, 8, 9, 10. The last is the coming day we can check. So you can check it regularly coming to this website. Just to let you know how to do this, I have clicked on 6th of May 2026, and after this we'll just click on view details. A new page will appear, and here you can check that the flight like 0355 am it is scheduled. There is no problem with this. Okay, and then 9:50 it is also scheduled, and 15:25, 21:30 all the flights are scheduled as per the specific time. So this is the process. You can check the status of your flight, and in this way you can keep yourself updated regarding the flight status of Emirates. And as I said, I have my flight on 11th, so right now I have no option to select 11. I need to check on 10th, and I'll be doing so. And if you are also flying with Emirates, do check the status of your flight in the similar manner. I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.